Many of the Ugandans leave the country under the pretext of employment. And once they get into Dubai, they end up in these houses where they stay in large numbers. The living conditions in these houses are not friendly at all, especially to the ladies. Sometimes they lack water to use, and food is a challenge because of the numbers. But at the same time, where to sleep is also a problem. Meanwhile, the people that leave to seek these jobs even pay money to the perpetrators. So we call upon you all that intend to leave the country to go and work, especially in the Middle East, that use the proper channels, go through the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development, ensure that you're registered. Even if you're not going through a company and you're traveling as a migrant, an individual migrant worker, still there is room for you to register at the Ministry of Gender. And once you register, the process of registration also scrutinizes your contract. And at that point, you have a chance to know whether your employer is actually genuine or is fake, to avoid such instances. A case in point that we are still investigating, one Ugandan female that is held up in Dubai in one of these houses with so many other Ugandans. The perpetrators actually are claiming 6 million shillings for her to be freed. You can imagine you pay money as you leave for this job, but at the same time, once you're stuck there, the trafficker continues again to squeeze you. And now they're asking for 6 million shillings to be paid by the parent so that the person can be released. This is very unfortunate. And at this point, we call upon you parents, if you find yourself in this situation, please come to the nearest police or come to the Ministry of Internal Affairs, ask for the Coordination Office for Prevention of Trafficking in Persons, and seek assistance over such matters. We shall be able to assist and repatriate our people and save them from this nature of exploitation. So, all Ugandans that intend to go and work, this is your call, that intend to go and work, we encourage you to use the registered companies. But if you're going as an individual, we also encourage you to make sure your information is submitted at the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development to ensure that you are also protected in one way or the other.